everybody. Did you know that at Cut the Clutter RVA we offer move management services? It's because we understand that it's easy to get overwhelmed by your move. We manage all of the details from start to finish. We streamline the process leading up to your move and help you stay on schedule, all while keeping your budget in mind. First, we'll meet you for an in-home planning session to understand your needs and your goals. Second, we're gonna walk through your home and tag items to move, sell, donate, or to give to friends and family, or even discard. We will create you a personalized moving checklist and timeline, which is amazing. And we will coordinate with trusted movers, estate sale experts, donation pickups, and other partners. And if you find you need more help, we can also help you with decluttering, packing, and unpacking.
There are a variety of tasks that we can coordinate for you. We have lots of different selling partners, so we can recommend the best one for what you'd like to sell, so that you can recoup the most value from your items. Donating furniture, we can facilitate the approval process in that, and coordinate charity pickups of your larger items. Removing trash, we have a great trash removal partner that we work with on a very regular basis to take away items for disposal. Shredding, we have a mobile shred truck partner who can come and shred all those documents that you no longer need. Moving services, we have lots of great moving partners, and so depending on what you need, we will recommend the best one for you and work with them on your timeline and ensure good communication between all parties. Cleaners, we also have cleaners who we can recommend. We can help you figure out where to store your items based on your needs. And then moving day relief, we can help with all those last minute things on moving day, helping you pack your car, helping you get your fridge cleaned out, any of those kinds of things on moving day to remove some stress from you. And what we like to say is the results are less stress and more calm.
If you're interested in learning more or would like more details, give us a call at 804-456-4433, or you can check us out online at cuttheclutterrva.com. We look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.